Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Are you ready? Here we go. January, February, March.
Let's start. First, open CapCut. Go to New Project. Now add your 1 video and 12 photos. Select Format 9:16. Now adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set video and photos to this time duration. Now turn down the video volume to 0. Now check your video. Now select Resolution and Export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.